Today, I'm going to be going over how to create a conversational chatbot inside of n8n using OpenAI and Telegram. And it's super simple to set up, and I'm going to walk you guys through every single step on how to use it, on how everything works, and how to set it all up. And real quick, if you guys want this workflow, plus all my other workflows, then press the first link in the description down below, and you can get it all inside my group. But now let's get to building. We're inside of Telegram right here, and I'm going to send it a message, and the chatbot should respond instantly. So let's go over here to the voice message, and let's say, create me a business idea using n8n workflow. And let's send that right now. It's currently typing, and it should send us back a response. And just like that, it just made a full entire business plan. It said one business idea using add-on workflows would be a smart appointment management system for small sized and medium sized businesses. And it walked us through how everything could work, which is super cool. It gave us the concept, features, and everything we need to set it up, and even monetization. And now that I showed you how it works, let's go back to n8n, and I'm going to show you how to set it all up. So now that we're in here, guys, go to the top right and press your three dots right here, and then press import from file. And after you import from the file, and you can find the file inside of my group. It's the first link in the description down below. And after you get the file, just paste it in right here, and it should look just like this. And I'm going to run you through how everything works real quick, and then I'll show you how to set it all up. This is the section where it processes the Telegram request. So right here, it checks if there's a message sent. If there's a message sent, it checks if it's a voice message or a text message. And if it's a voice message, it gets the voice message, and then it transcribes the voice message so that I can read it. And then it goes over here to our AI agent, and it creates a response. And then it saves it to the memory. And once it does all that, the AI outputs it back into Telegram. And let me show you guys the prompt we use for the chatbot. So here's the prompt right here. You're a personal assistant that helps users to fulfill their request. When you're asked to perform a task on the current date, please use the current date and time. And then this is the whole entire output. You should output the result and don't include any links. Just mention where you added it to. And it's actually a simple prompt, but it does work, which is good. And now let me show you guys how to set this all up. So to start off, we'll start off with Telegram right here. So open up Telegram and then go to the top left and search for the bot father. And once you find the bot father, click on it and then type /new bot. And for this, guys, you're going to need to create a bot. A bot doesn't cost anything to sell. So to create the bot, you can name whatever you want. I'm just going to name it. And now the username has to end in _bot or bot. So I'm just going to call it chatbot with a bunch of numbers and then _bot. And let's send that right now. And after you create the bot, you should get a key right here. They can literally just copy and paste. And guys, do not share this key with anyone, because if they get this key, they'll be able to hack your bot. So copy this right here, then head back to n8n, then double click on this and go up here, then press create new credentials, and then paste in your key right here and then save it. And after you save it, you'll probably have to select your account. So select it right here, and then double click on this Telegram one, and then this one as well. And now scroll all the way over here, and then this one too. Now we just have to set up the chat GPT. And to do this is super simple. Just go to platform.openai.com, and then go over here to the API key section, and then go up here to the top right and press create new secret key. And after you press that, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it the chatbot, then select a project. You may have to create a project if you don't already have one, and then create the secret key. And after you got the secret key, do not send it to anyone, to n8n, just like so. And wait a second, I actually forgot something. To OpenAI, and then click on billing. And guys, press this button right here, add to credit balance. And I say add $10 or so for this, or add as much as you want, because every few prompts we do, it's going to spend a cent or two. So just press the button right there. And now that you got your key, head back, and then double click on this, and then press create new credentials again, and then paste in your API key. And finally, double click on this one right here, and then paste your key in, and then select your account. And just like that, the whole entire system has been set up. And there may be a start button at the bottom of your screen. And now if you type to the bot, it should instantly respond. So let's just say, I want to make an n8n workflow. But what one should I make? So let's send that right now. And it should give us a response. And just like that, 2 seconds later, it just said, create an n8n workflow and greatly automate and streamline many of your repetitive tasks. And here's a suggestion for a useful workflow. And it says automated social media posting. And honestly, that's not even a bad idea. And it walks us through everything we got to do to set this all up. And just like that, guys, we have a Telegram conversational chatbot that actually works. And once again, if you want the chatbot, press the first link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see me build next. And don't forget to press this video on the screen right now. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.